All right, guys, back in the laundry room because we're gonna do another update. It's been a little while. I've been pretty busy doing garage sale stuff, getting my house cleaned, fixing some stuff up myself to save money. So let's take a walk through. Now, the electrician came through today. He put in a little sub panel here because we're gonna need a little more electricity. We've needed electricity in this house even before the reno. For a long time, a lot of people live here, and that the panel we had was very outdated. Now, sorry, I know it's a little dark, but hopefully you can see he just added outlets over there. Um, let's see. Oh, he added some outlet there. He added an outlet down there. We'll come into this area here. And I don't know if you guessed what's going in here, but if anybody has guessed, please mention it in the comments. But let's turn on a light here that the workers left, and you can kind of see. I'll give you an up and down shot. That should give you an idea. I'll show you something that the electrician installed today. That should give you an idea. There's some outlets here, plugs, pipes, and we're gonna go because I'm interested to know what you guys say, what you guys think. I'm pretty sure you guys will be pretty smart and figure it out. You're smarter than me anyway. All right, nothing new besides that, but come into the living room, the hallway, and you're gonna see a lot of new. Yeah, bear with me. All right, let's do a turn around. Okay, so the floor is in, but the trim everywhere and the baseboards are in now. So it looks like an actual cute little apartment. We'll enter my brother's room. And it is completely finished as well, trim and all. I mean, there's still a few little things like, you know, the covers for the plugs. We're gonna get blinds and, you know, kind of do some touch up on some paint. But besides that, like, everything's really coming together. There's nothing in any room, so it's very echoey. Let's continue. You've seen my grandparents' room, so we can continue into here. Look at that transition strip. There's one there for the bathroom now. And look at that. Here, get a better picture this way. Look at that. Everything is looking super clean, super new. I really like this color in the floor, the wood. It looks awesome. It's not real wood, but it looks awesome. They added a plug there because my grandma wants her TV here, just above this wall. We added a little Walter, but he's been shaved, so he looks hilarious. Walter? I don't know, he sees a mouse or something. Anyway, let's continue into the kitchen because go here, and there's a lot of crap, but here we go. We don't have the stove yet, but what we do have is a nice fancy old little dishwasher. A cute little deeper sink with this beautiful little head here that, you know, comes down. That's what my grandma wanted. That area now has been reclaimed because there's this ugly old little storage thing there. But now we're going to put shelves up there or something. Just little tiny shallow ones just for spices, whatnot. We got the dishwasher, beautiful. But yeah, as you can see, it looks like a little apartment now. And a little modern apartment. Let me give you a kind of a view from this side. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We had a garage sale today, so a little bit haphazardly with the filming, but the garage sale went great. I'm gonna do it again tomorrow. Hopefully we'll sell a lot more, and we can put that money, well, basically into this reno.